Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I am going to show you how you can fly your DJI Mavic Air 2 near cell phone towers. How many times me and you we have watched those kind of videos, we have watched those kind of reviews where people strongly advise you to not take your drone on a concrete floor or near the cell phone towers. So today in my video I'm going to show you, is it really safe? Is it possible to fly your drone very close to the cell phone towers? Now the cell phone towers I have here, I do not know what kind of technology, what kind of spectrum or what kind of frequency they are creating. But one thing I know for sure that they are the cell phone towers. Now you can see these cell phone towers on my right hand side, and there are actually 5 to 6 of them, and I believe that they must be transmitting very high frequency signals. So let's jump right into my video and let me show you, can you fly your DJI Mavic Air 2 near the cell phone towers? Okay guys, so my drone is all set up. I have my iPad on the controller, everything is connected. We have good satellite, we have 16 satellites connected, so we are good to go. And let's take off. And I'm already around the height of 60 to 70 meters, and if you look at the altitude meter, it is showing me that I am at an altitude of 0 meters right now. So that's something to keep in your mind, that if you are on the terrace and you are already like 60 or 70 meters high up in the air, but your drone is gonna show you 0 meters elevation only. Okay, so let's go take off and see how it flies. And there's my drone, and if I just turn it around, I can show you that I have some cellular towers on my apartment, and there you will see the towers now in the camera frame. Okay, so these are the cellular towers I'm talking about, if you can see. So there are so many of them actually over there. Let me just go a little bit sideways. Let me just keep an eye on the drone. Okay, so that's the complete setup of the antenna towers, the cellular towers. And if I show you where I'm standing right now, so this is where I am, just next to this white color cabin where they have the setup for all the cellular things. That's me filming the video right now. And there is the building containing all the cellular towers. So you can see that is at a distance of, I think, maximum 20 or 25 meters maybe. And one thing to note here, that I have never tried going closer to these cell towers. I tried to stay as away as I can. Sorry, it's very windy here and I just want to keep an eye on the drone. Okay, so I never go very close to the towers, so I try to stay away from them. But as you can see, I do not have any glitches in the transmission of the video on the screen. My drone is very much stable. I have full RC signals this time, and everything is working perfectly. So if you are in a spot where you have some cellular towers, and so you need not be so much scared, you can actually go and fly your drone. So okay, so let's go a little bit farther into the field and see if we are experiencing any kind of problems with the signal or our transmission. And there it is, my favorite DJI Mavic Air 2. Woo! And as you can see, it's flying without any difficulty at all. And another thing which I have never tried, and maybe some of you can watch my video and try flying the drone from the terrace. I never tried to take my drone down at minus altitude. I have never tried that because I do not know how the drone is going to react, whether it will fall down or it will stay in the sky. I'm not very much sure, and seriously I don't want to lose this drone at all. It's a very favorite machine. I just love it. I love flying my DJI. So now we are back. I'm just bringing it back. It's getting quite windy today. And let's land safely. Okay, and there it is. There you go. Alright, so that's all about this video, and as you saw, I was having cellular towers very close to me. I'm already on the rooftop. The floor of the rooftop here is of concrete because I saw so many reviews and I did so many Google searches. Everybody telling me that please do not fly where you have these steel rebars because it can go and make your compass crazy. But as you can see, nothing such has happened with me. Let's go and take off one more time. Let me just bring it closer to me, and there we go. Little takeoff, pushing. Okay, and I am in a cine mode, so I hope the obstacle avoidance is going to kick in. Yes, and it's not letting the drone go any farther. So I do not advise you to go and deliberately fly your drone near the cell towers. Definitely they must be having some kind of interference if DJI is saying so. But for some reason, if you are in a place where you have no other choice, you have no other option, so you just saw my demonstration, and I hope you will not be that much scared. You can go out, you can fly on the rooftop, you can fly near the cellular towers. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Bye everyone.